Hello everyone, welcome to the Exam Tube, an initiative by Frank Connect. This video is an attempt to enlighten the NEET aspirants about NEET, the National Eligibility cum Entrance Test. We will also focus on the best possible manner for its preparation because success in any exam depends upon how perfectly you prepare for it. NEET is conducted for those who aspire for the admission in medical colleges in India. NEET UG is conducted by National Testing Agency every year. It is a pen-paper mode exam held in 13 languages as a uniform entrance examination for admission to MBBS, BDS, BAMS, BSMS, BUMS, BHMS and other UG medical courses. The Exam Tube, a comprehensive digital test platform, is here to help you to get through your examination. The Exam Tube prepares you for different academic, professional as well as career-oriented examinations. Here we have put all our proven expertise into making sure that you are ready for your exam. We have got online practice tests and other resources to help you reach your goal. The platform offers a short-term crash course test program with 25 NEET practice papers as per the latest syllabus of NTA. The tests are logically and intelligently arranged. You also get complete solution and clarification. Time management is the core feature of our test module. Our test series includes maximum number of NEET previous year's questions, most important 4,000 questions designed by expert educators, and you get it all just at the rate 1,000 per package, the most affordable of the available options. It means you have to pay just ₹40 per test or 4.5 paise per question. Log in to the ExamTube website, click on the course and select NEET UG. There you can attempt a free demo test to ascertain the quality of content. Then you can proceed to purchase. The tests are curated specially for you. Here we assure you get the best of practice modules for your NEET preparation. Avail this opportunity and crack the challenge. Be confident for your success. All the best.